visit to Fairbanks is rapidly drawing to a close. We have yet another must-do item on our itinerary. Once again, the historical legacy of Fairbanks prevails as we step back in time to a period where innovation, invention, and luxury collide. Come with us now as we visit the Fountainhead Antique Automobile Museum here in Fairbanks, Alaska. As one of the premier vintage car museums in the world, the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum tells the story of our automotive evolution from the late 1800s through to pre-World War II. They also bring Alaska's rich and colorful auto and transportation history to life in vivid detail, with over 100 historic motoring photographs decorating the Auto Museum's walls, illustrating the North's unique transportation challenges, including the navigation of glacial streams, avalanche chutes, and extremely deep snow. As you enter the museum, you first see an amazing collection of mid-19th century bicycles and early 20th century motorcycles, illustrating the early move from horse transportation to wheeled transportation. Throughout the ages, auto and fashion trends have gone hand in hand, a dynamic perfectly captured by what is considered to be the largest, most extensive vintage collection in the Pacific Northwest. Alongside many of the roadway masterpieces are beautifully preserved and staged men's and women's outfits from that auto's place in time. The museum's exhibits include rare and well-preserved cars, providing us with a glimpse into the history of the automotive industry. Helping to illustrate evolving engine innovation is this amazing display of vintage engine spark plugs designed and manufactured through the century. The Fountainhead Antique Automobile Museum is known for its impressive collection of antique automobiles. It typically showcases cars from the early 20th century, featuring a range of makes and models that highlight the evolution of automotive design and technology. The museum provides excellent opportunities for photography, as you've seen, allowing visitors to capture the beauty of these classic vehicles. This living museum is home to over 95 pre-World War II automobiles, with 65 to 75 stunningly lit and staged rare automobiles. This expansive collection encompasses horseless carriages, steamers, electric cars, speedsters, cycle cars, midget races, and 1930s classics.
If you like our videos, please ring the bell, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe and help us grow our channel.
Exploring the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum can be a cultural experience, offering insights into the role of automobiles in society and how they evolved over time. It's an opportunity to appreciate the cultural impact of cars on communities. In just a few moments, we'll be presenting a slideshow of vintage photographs from the era, as well as fit-to-be printed photos of many of the antique cars we saw today at the Fountainhead Antique Automobile Museum. We hope you enjoyed this video and ask you to give us a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends, and if you haven't already, please subscribe so that our channel grows and more folks get to join us on our golden anniversary adventure.
please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss our future episodes. Want to see more? Check us out on Instagram on our Golden Anniversary Adventure page.